Welcome back, students. So now let us see the other part of this experiment, that is in 4-bit Alto or op-amp DAC we have two parts. Okay, so the aim is to design a 4-bit Alto or DAC using 4-bit binary input from the toggle switches. That is what we saw in the first part. Okay, now we shall see the second part, that is to design 4-bit Alto or DAC using mod 16 counter. Okay, so the circuit diagram for this is as shown here. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram using IC 7493. 7493 is nothing but mod 16 counter. Okay, 7493 is nothing but it is mod 16 counter. Okay, so the pin configurations of 7493 is as shown in the diagram. So you need to connect like this. Okay, so here D0, D1, D2, D3, all these 4-bit digital inputs previously we have connected to the toggle switches. Now instead of toggle switches you need to give these inputs to 12, 9, 8, 11 of 7493. Okay, so these are the outputs of 7493. That means the 7493 produces 4-bit counter. Okay, so it generates from 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1 maximum. So 0 to 16 it counts. Okay, so this is a mod 16 counter. So using mod 16 counter you are designing Alto or DAC. The circuit of Alto or ladder network is same as in the previous diagram. Okay, so you can observe here it is same as the previous. Okay, instead of toggle switches we are connecting 7493 IC. Okay, only that is the difference, except that all the remaining things are same. Okay, so you need to observe the other connections of the IC also. So pin number 1 and 12 must be shorted. Okay, 14 must be given to the monopulse or 1 hertz frequency clock. Okay, whereas 2, 3 and 10, all these pins should be shorted and given to the ground, and pin number 5 should be given to the plus 5 volts supply. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram. Now let us see how I have rigged up the circuit on the circuit board. See, this is R2 or ladder network. Okay, so this part remains as it is. Okay, in the previous demonstration what I have explained, so the same circuit I have retained as it is. Okay, so these are the four 10 kilo ohm resistors connected in series, and these are the 2R resistors connected in parallel to R resistors. Okay, so this is R2R ladder network. Okay, and this is the op-amp IC. Okay, so this ladder network is connected to pin number 3. Pin number 2 is directly I have shorted to pin number 6. Okay, and output is given to pin number 6. Okay, we are measuring the output using multimeter only. Okay, you can observe here we are measuring using multimeter. Okay, so now I have inserted the IC 7493 in this socket here. Okay, now from this ladder network D0, which is D0, this is D0. Okay, so you can observe here D0 I have connected to pin number 12. Okay, similarly this is D1. D1 have connected to pin number 9. Okay, then D2 I have connected to pin number 8. Okay, pin number 8, and this is D3 I have connected to pin number 12. Okay, so corresponding to this, see 12, 9, 8, 11. So correspondingly you need to connect. So D0 should be connected to 12, D1 to 9, D2 to 8, D3 to 11. Okay, so like this you need to connect the circuit properly. Okay, and plus 5 fifth pin, from the fifth pin it is given to plus VCC, and all 2, 3 and 10 I have shorted and given to the ground terminal. Okay, so this is the ground terminal now. Okay,